Most owners build something that works, then growth plateaus, not because effort stopped, because nobody owns what happens next. Messaging drifts, follow-up slips, visibility stops compounding. Growth optimization is the ongoing layer that keeps the system working without running everything through you. Each cycle starts with a review, visibility, messaging, and client flow performance against what you already built. Not a generic marketing calendar, a structured read of what's actually limiting growth this quarter. Then you prioritize one constraint, the single bottleneck. Fix that before you scatter effort across 10 tactics. Refine targeted improvements measured against pipeline impact. What worked carries forward. What didn't gets removed. This sits after WebScore and ClientFlow, or when you already have pieces in place. Diagnose, build, then refine so growth compounds. If your system works, but growth still depends on you catching every gap, that's the conversation. Book a growth assessment and we'll confirm whether refinement is the right next step.